This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. You've got FCX. Gorgeous. Even in despite of this massive mine collapse, it has worked its way all the way back up, and it's copper. You've got my aluminum trade off the bottom, gorgeous gap up. This has just been crushing it. This is AA, aluminum, stunning. You've got MT, boring. And I did say this is one of the most boring trades I have recommended in a long time. Look at that steady Freddy. This is where it triggered for me, 37.55. That's a monthly. And now it's 45 and it's boring, but it's working. It's up and to the right. And there's just nothing wrong with that. Yeah, also Rio. The other part of this, Rio, MT, AA, FCX, very, very impressive. Boring, old kind of boomer stocks. Silver is still push, 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 push. This actually has what's called a doji sandwich, where this expansion bar followed by a doji with an open above the doji equals the same expansion bar. This is SLV. Obviously, the continuous contract is hotter than Hades. So we've got high to low, and then you add $6 right here. On that close, I'm going to do that here. So 53. All right, so 59 is the measured move of this, what's called the doji sandwich, 59 for SLV. If you are still playing this parabola, some of you are very happy to let this, what do you call it, go parabolic without you. Others are nervously chasing because it's exciting. But do keep in mind, silver's on its own path. Gold is still digesting these highs from October. With miners focused on silver, they're doing well. Miners focused on gold, not as hot fire flames. Dollar dumping is the trade yesterday. No question. First thing I saw, dollars dumping, VIX is going to crush, market's going to rally, and that's boom, boom, boom. Now this morning, Oracle's interrupting the rally, but Japan doesn't have a Fed problem anymore. That's good news. Oil is still weak sauce, and nat gas is right back down to support. Look at that. So this is where I would expect it to catch its breath. The steepener is definitely steepening. We're not at 0.64. That's trouble. Because, and by the way, it's not, we're going to debate bear bull steepening all day long, but the point is, this is the rate of change above 0.64 is what I'm looking for. And the faster it moves, the more damage it can do. I know we got money coming in starting tomorrow, Fed liquidity function, these repurchase RMP to calm the repo market and all of that, but I don't care. If this starts to pick up speed above 0.64, it'll break things. All right, so that's important. Dollar yen is actually getting hit. So I'm going to watch to see if this can actually break this trend line. That would be a little bit more bearish, but we're not there yet. So in other words, Japan doesn't have a Fed problem because they cut. And so now look what happens with their 2-year yield. It came right back in. That's what I expected. Fed cuts, that comes back inside. Gold is a little perky, but the dollar yuan breaking lower, silver breaking higher. The silver gold ratio is so extended from the mean. It is just parabolic, incredibly. The yen is stabilizing, but not exactly what I'd call ready or safe. When the yen starts to move higher, then gold will start to come back down, is my bet, but it's not doing anything but going kind of sideways. This is the proxy. Dollars falling apart. That was yesterday. Saw that. Boom. That is very, very dollar debasement focused. I said that yesterday when they did this RMP facility with cuts, yada, yada. And this is what's helping precious metals and commodities in general, not oil. I'm short oil. This is a global falling oil demand situation. It has nothing to do with dollar. It has falling global oil demand. Totally still in play.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.